Have you guys ever thought about, like, the primate evolution?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure humans evolved from apes.
Really?
No, I don't agree with you, Kaylee. I do not agree with you.
Man, I think we need to go to the safari.
Let's find out the truth.
Conversation is going to be primate evolution. Let me tell you what a primate is. A primate is a mammal of an order that includes the lemurs, bush babies, monkeys, and apes, and humans. But they're distinguished by having feet that are similar to hands, forward-facing eyes, and they're typically tree dwellers.
Have you guys heard of Jane Goodall or even Charles Darwin? Well, these are just a few of the scientists that have studied or worked with primates over the years. Darwin's great insight and the unifying principle of biology today is that all species are related to one another like cousins, sisters, and distant kin in a vast family tree of life. Jane Goodall, she also worked with primates and chimps, and she learned that they use tools to make and eat and hunt for meat and have a similar social behavior like humans.
Wow, Tanya, that's a lot of information. I gained a lot of knowledge.
I know. Did you even know that she completely transformed our understanding of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom?
Crazy how we came from them, huh?
I think so too.
Before we really start this debate and look into it more, let's play some safari music to get into the mood.
Now, Kaylee, if humans evolved from apes, why are they still apes? Humans did not evolve from present-day apes for many reasons. They differ from behavior. 1. Sexuality. Primates are monogamous. That means mating in an exclusive pair bond until the other pair dies. The species that are monogamous are usually territorial. Another way they differ is communication. Among primates, signals can be made in any of four modes: olfactory, visual, and auditory, and tactile. The four modes can be ranked in terms of the strength or frequency of the message.
Did you also know that they have brain intellections, like the smell that they use? They use an olfactory bulb, which is small compared to other primates, like apes or gorillas. They also use navigation, which although they use their sense of smell and instincts, they use mental mapping to navigate through any situation. Sensitivity. For example, we have 3 different kinds right here. We have this top one here where you can only see blue and green. On the second one, you can see normal. You can see normal. And for
They also differ from physical traits. Apes are way stronger than humans. The attachment points of their muscles are arranged for power rather than speed. Their muscle fibers may be denser, or there may be physical chemical advantages in the way they contract. The stance is also different in humans and apes. Humans are bipedal, and apes walk on all fours. Apes also have grasping feet. Are we almost there?
Well, yeah, but before we get there, let me share my point. I believe what's similar is behavior and DNA. First, let's talk about behavior. Primates and humans share many similar behavior traits. Chimps are able to shake their head no in a sense of disapproval, just like humans can. For example, a mother was trying to get her infant to stop chewing on a leaf. The mother took it away from her infant and was shaking her head no as she took it away. In India and in the Philippines, it's not uncommon for wild monkeys to go around and beg for food just like humans are able to do. 99% of DNA with chimps and bonobos, which is a close cousin to the chimp. Gorillas come in with the close second at 98% of DNA that matches with humans. Scientists have discovered that differences is from duplication in the DNA. DNA sequence differed by only 1.2% when it came to a single nucleotide change within genetic codes. It shows the chromosomes between the chimps and humans As you can see, they are very similar with one another.
Biologically, primates and humans are very much alike. First off, our bone structure is very similar. We share all of the same bones, though they do differ in size and shape. And humans and the African ape have hands with thumbs that are sufficiently separate from the other fingers to allow for opposable grips for precision grips. And we also lack external tails. Next, our nervous systems are the same. The human brain is much larger. However, it is structurally identical to a chimpanzee's. This means that chimpanzees and other primates are capable of reasoned thought, abstraction, and generalization. They can even recognize themselves in a mirror. Most other animals cannot. Chimpanzees see and experience the world much like we do. Their sense of sight, smell, hearing, and touch are very similar to our own. Their immune systems are very much similar. They have several important blood type systems the same, and we also get many of the same diseases. And probably the most in common is our digestive system. Like chimpanzees and bonobos, we are omnivorous. However, we do kill other animals for food, in addition to eating a wide variety of plants. And last but not least, our organs. The African apes and other primates, along with humans, have essentially the same organs and the same organ placement.
Here we go. Here we go. What is that? What is that? Stay close. Stay away.
I don't know what that is.
I know what that is.